wipe it off on me. You stole my hat, said it felt all wrong, but you kept it anyway on the walk home. Stay a little longer, just one more story, one more song. Hold me in the doorway like we've been doing this all along. Call it what you want to, I'll call it where I belong. Stay a little longer, stay a little longer with me. You hum off key, but I still join in. Burn the toast again, we just laugh and spin. You trace my name in the fogged up glass, saying, promise me this won't go too fast. Stay a little longer, just one more story, one more song. Hold me in the doorway like we've been doing this all along. Call it what you want to, I'll call it where I belong. Stay a little longer, stay a little longer with me. If the night gets loud